How do you master your skill?
Some people dream of good things. Very few people stay awake and do them.
Oh, very chilly. Oh. Hit by the frost. Very late frost. Ah, it's so cold. See? Everything's drooped down in the frost. Onions are fine. I like how the purple sprouting broccoli is very dramatic in the frost. It is so cold. Ooh. It's so cold. Look at that. Beautiful frosty flakes. They look really dramatic in the frost, but they just bounce right back. That's what I was trying to show you. I love strawberries. Frosty strawberries look so beautiful. It's amazing how much the world changes when frost comes, and how powerful Mother Nature truly is, and how it can destroy and give so much. Just wanted to show you the after effects of the frost. So as you can see, everything's popped back up nicely and there was no damage. So you look at it in the morning and you think, oh my god, this stuff is dead, but it's just the weight of the frost and it becomes a little bit limp after a frost. But as you can see, everything's perked back up nicely. This is why it's so important, even though we're so desperate to get new tender seedlings out into the garden, that we don't bring out anything that's frost tender, because although these plants popped right back up, if they were frost tender, they wouldn't have had that. They wouldn't have had that sort of benefit, and they would have been severely damaged.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.